Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create and manage a Discord server. I'm going to be showing you how to create a Discord channel from scratch, how to create audio and voice channels, along with categories, NSFW channels, and a couple of other cool things you can do in your Discord server. This is going to be more of a basic guide, but it's going to be a good get started guide that you can do all the basics. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is have the Discord app open and be logged in. From this point, what we're going to be doing is coming to the server section on the left, and we're going to be looking for the add a server or the plus button right here. Simply click this open and then this pop-up will come up. From here, you'll have two options to create or join a server. In this case, we're going to be choosing the create a server option. And then the first thing we can do is give this server a name. In this case, I'm going to be calling a test server. And from here, we can also change the icon for our server. This can also be done a little bit later on. For the moment, I'm going to be leaving it just default. All we need to do is click create and then our server will be created. From this point, you'll then be asked to invite people to your server if you wish, or you can send an invite link so you can really easily copy it here and share it on social media or anywhere else you would like. In this case, I'm not going to be adding anyone as it's just a test server. I'm going to be closing this down and then you will automatically have your server created. From this point, I'm going to be bringing your attention over here to the left. And the first thing we're going to be talking about is channels and voice channels in Discord. So by default, you will have a general channel and you will also have a general voice channel. In this case, I'm already in here, so I'm just going to be leaving this for the moment. And what we're going to be doing is adding our first text channel. To do this, what we can do is come to our text channel option right here, and we can click on the plus button, which is going to allow us to create a channel. Once this happens, we're going to then have the option to create a text or a voice channel. In this case, a text channel is just fine, and I'm going to be naming this example. Once you've named your channel, what we're going to be doing is clicking create channel, and then your channel will be added here automatically under your text channels. We will then have some extra options in our example channel. If we hover over it, we'll see this cogwheel here on the right with edit channel. If we click this open, we'll then get some extra options. The first thing we can do is change the example name here as well. A spacebar is not able to be entered here. In this case, it will automatically be set as a dash, so don't worry, it's fine in this case. We can then add a channel topic, so here you can give some information about what the channel is for, how it's going to be used, etc. We can also set up a slow mode where we can restrict the number of messages per minute in our channel. In this case, you can experiment here to see what works best for you. For me, I like to leave this off, although of course you can see what works best for your channel and needs. And then finally, we have the option for an NSFW channel. I'm going to be enabling this here so I can show you how it works. This is really nice if you're going to be having younger people in your channel or you want to keep an NSFW channel. We also have some other options here with permissions, invites, and webhooks. I'm not going to be touching that in today's video, although if some people are interested, I'll do an update video where I'll show some more in-depth things like installing bots, and then we can go more further into these extra options. From this point, we're going to be saving our changes to our new channel. We can click escape from here, and then you can see our channel. If we come over here, it's a small triangle and an exclamation mark inside as if it's a caution icon. Clicking this will then see it's an NSFW channel, which is really nice. So anyone who comes here for the first time will be instantly notified this is an NSFW channel. You can click nope if you don't want to continue, or if you do continue, you can continue like that. We can also see this is the example channel, and we can see any information we want to share about the channel, or in this case, that's what's going to be in our channel topic, which is really nice here as well, so people can instantly get the information about what this channel is for. Again, to create a voice channel, we can either come to any channel here, click create channel, select a voice channel, and I'm going to be naming this test as well, and then we can create our voice channel. Again, we'll have some extra information. If we hover over our voice channel, we can click edit channel here, and here we have a couple different extra options. Again, we can change the channel name. Here we can change the bitrate of our channel. So the higher the bitrate means the higher the quality in the channel will be for the users inside. Although keep this in mind, this will affect people with poor connections as it mentions here. So maybe this is worth experimenting, having a couple of high bitrate channels and a couple of low bitrate channels. So this way users can choose depending on their connection. And here you can also set up a user limit. So in this case, if you want to limit this to 4 users, for example, you can set that here up to a maximum limit of 99, or we can bring it all the way down to the bottom here to make it unlimited, so there's no limit on this channel. In this case, I'm going to be making it 4 as an example. We also have permissions and invites over here. Again, I won't be touching those in today's video, but I will be able to do that in an updated video if some people would like to see that. From this point, simply click save changes at the bottom, click escape, and then your channel settings will be made. Currently, you can see there's a limit here of 4 people, and the bitrate will be affected. Now, from this point, we actually have 2 sections or categories. You can see we have text channels here, which is possible to collapse and expand, and we have voice channels here, which is also possible to collapse and expand. So these are actually individual sections, so they're not actually limited to just text or just voice channel. So we can actually really easily move and drag these around by simply clicking and dragging on a section and then dropping it anywhere. So you can see my voice channel is actually just named voice channels. It doesn't mean it's limited to just voice channels, although it can make sense to categorize them in such a way. If you would like to create a new section, you can simply right click anywhere there's free space, simply click create a category, and here you can name your category. In this case, I'm going to be naming it test, and you can see a new category is created. From this point, we can simply drag down our sections here that we just created, or you can drag down whatever you would like here, and you can have a new category here so you can really segment what you want each section to be and create it exactly for your needs. So now that we know how to manage and create our categories, maybe you want to remove a section. To remove a channel, all we need to do is click edit channel. You can simply click delete channel here on the left. Discord will give a pop-up to confirm. Click delete channel and then your channel will be deleted. Again, we can also do the same with our category by right-clicking on our category, delete category. Again, we will get a pop-up to confirm and then delete the category. Our general channel will then be floating here in midair. We can simply drag it into another category if we wish, or we can leave it away, whichever you would prefer. So the last thing we're going to be talking about in today's video for the basics of Discord is users and roles. So if we come over to the right, we can currently see a list of all online users. In this case, it's only me for the moment, but that'll be fine for now. And what we're going to be doing is setting up different roles for these users so we can segment. So when a lot more users joins, you can really easily see the most important information or maybe the mods at the top, and you can separate everyone else like that, or give separate roles depending on what people play. You can do a lot of different things here. It really depends on your creativity and your needs. So what we're going to be doing is coming up here to the top left where it says our server name. We're going to be right clicking here. We're going to be hovering over server settings, and we're going to be clicking on the roles option. From this point, we'll see a list of all currently available roles. In this case, what we have at the moment is add everyone. So that will add everyone in our server, so everyone will get a notification. However, we might want to create a new so only specific people can be added. In this case, if we click plus in the roles option, we can create a new role here. I'm going to be naming it test. You can add a role color if you wish. I'm going to be naming it green. And here you can also get some extra options. I'm not going to be going through each one of these, but you'll see an administrator option, allow to add mention this role, and you get a couple of other things here as well. So you can really create and customize roles depending on what you need. You have extra options for admin to kick, ban, etc. So it's really nice if you want to add multiple people to your server that can manage and do separate things. In this case, I'm only going to be creating this test role. What I'm going to be doing is then saving my changes, and then I'm going to be giving myself this role. So you can really easily give any users roles by clicking on their name. Here you'll see they'll have currently no roles. What you can do is click plus, and you can see any available roles here. So what I can do is give myself this test role. You'll see my color will change to green, and now I have a server role. So anyone else that comes online, you can also click and give and manage the roles. To remove the role, you can really easily hover over here, click the delete option, and you can remove the role. But anyway guys, that is the basic information on how to create and manage a Discord server. I do plan to create a few more videos about this in the future, about installing bots and a couple more specific things that you can do to really customize your server. But I feel like this is the most basic things you need and how to set up and create a Discord channel. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.